Let us see in this video how to register subcontract bills. Subcontract bills is used to record supplier invoice related to the subcontracting activities. These bills typically cover job work, R, processing services carried out by a subcontractor using either the company's own material, R, materials supplied directly by the subcontractor. Booking subcontract purchase bills ensures that subcontracting costs, applicable taxes, and payables are accurately recorded in the ERP system. This process also helps track job work expenses, maintain statutory compliance, and support proper cost allocation for production, R, project activities. Let us take one example. Supplier as Abirami Precision Works, GRN number GRNSC 2526-0007. Bill number as APW002. Bill date as 23rd of December 2025. Taxable value as $16,000, HSN R SAC code as 10101. Tax rate is 12%. Tax amount is $1,920. Total amount is $17,920. This slide shows subcontract bills workflow approval process, which consists of two-level reviewing and approving. First and foremost, after entries given by the creator, the document will get forwarded to the supervisor. In order to review the document, once supervisor reviewed, the document will get forwarded to the manager, who has action to approve. So manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow would be. Let us log in with username password of creator's login to register subcontract bills. Click on Login button. Click on Financials. Click on Transaction. Click on Party Document. Navigating to the Purchase Bill screen, click on Pending Bills. Pending bills to view all supplier invoices that are awaiting posting, R, approval. This section displays bills that have been recorded but not yet processed for payment, R, final verification. Click on Pending SEO. Pending subcontract bills displays all subcontracting transactions for which the supplier invoice has not yet been booked in the system. These represent job work, R, processing activities that have been completed, R, recorded, but are still awaiting the corresponding subcontractor bill. This screen helps user review outstanding subcontract work, verifies quantity, cost, and taxes, and proceed with booking the subcontract purchase bills. Processing pending subcontract bills ensures accurate cost accounting, proper payable management, and compliance with the subcontracting requirements. In Pending SEO Bills screen, you will see fields such as Party ID, Party Name, GR Number, Item ID, Item Description, and Invoice Quantity. Select the required document from the list. Click on Create button. The default invoice prefix will be updated automatically. If needed, the prefix can be changed. The invoice date will also be autofilled based on the GRN date, and it can be modified if required. Click OK to proceed. A subcontracting invoice document for the selected GRN will be generated. The subproject type is automatically updated as GRN subcontract. When the invoice is created from pending, the reference field will get updated as with reference. Line details will be populated automatically, including HSN, R, SAC code, and applicable tax amount. For interstate transaction, IGST will be applied. For interstate transaction, CGST and SGST will be applied. For GST reporting, you can choose from the following options. Inputs, capital goods, input service ineligible import, not applicable inputs, regular goods purchased for use in production, R, business operation, capital goods long-term assets such as machinery, R, equipment used in the business, input services received from suppliers that are used for business activities, ineligible purchase for which input tax credit can't be claimed as per GST rules, import type goods, R, services imported from outside the country, not applicable used when the transaction does not fall under specific category. The GST supply field is used to categorize the nature of the supply. For GST complaints, the available options are GST supply nil-rated exempted, non-GST supply composition, not applicable GST supply, regular taxable goods, R, services on which GST is applicable, nil-rated goods, R, services that attract a 0% GST rate but are still considered taxable, exempted goods, R, services that are fully exempt from GST as per the government notifications, non-GST, supply items that are outside the scope of GST, such as petroleum products, R, alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Composition supplies made by business registered under the composition scheme where tax is paid at the fixed rate, not applicable. Use the nature of the supply does not fall under any specific GST category. For RCM supply, select appropriate RCM category. The system provides multiple discount options to classify the type of reduction applied to the purchase value. Trade discount. A standard commercial discount offered by the supplier, usually based on quantity, product category, or business relationship. This discount is applied before tax calculation. Special discount and additional discount given under special scheme promotions are negotiations. It is applied on top of regular trade discount when applicable. Cash discount. A discount offers for yearly promote payment to the supplier. It is applied on top of regular trade discount when applicable. When you enter the discount percentage, the discount amount updated automatically. Click on Process button. When you click on Process button, the system updates and displays the details. This includes the process name, job work, item, invoice quantity, process cost, and GRN process cost. The manufacturing item details are also updated, including the manufacturing quantity, purchase account. If required, we can change the purchase account, GRN account, item class, subclass, and SAC code for the job work item. Additionally, the system displays the corresponding GRN number and GRN date, providing complete traceability between the subcontract process and the goods received. The TDS section code is mapped in the job work item in the item master. It will be updated automatically. If required, we can change the details. If the TDS is applicable, once TDS is applied, the TDS percentage is calculated automatically based on the fourth digit of the supplier's TDS. The system checks the applicable TDS rate in the master and deducts the amount accordingly. Click on Create Journal checkbox. Journal has been created. To review the journal, click on View Journal button. Expense account will get debited. Tax account will get debited. TDS account will get credited. Party account will get credited. Click on Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. Document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigating to the reviewer's login, click on Login button. Navigating to the approval screen, click on Detail button to review the document. Once document has been reviewed, click on Approve button to forward the document to the manager. Click OK. Document has been forwarded to the manager for approval. Thank you for watching this video.